Today we have Mr. Bharat M Sanghvi, Chairman of Automotive Manufacturers Private Limited. So good to have you, sir. Sir, tell us about Automotive Renew.
Well, Automotive Renew was thought of once we saw the government's thinking about improving environment, not only environment but safety of the older vehicles, how to remove them and bring in new vehicles. So we went from Euro 0 to Euro 1 to Euro 2, Euro 4, Euro 6. The idea was to improve the environment, and we therefore thought, when the government introduced this concept of RVSF, we thought within the family that this was a right opportunity for us to contribute from our side to the nation from the point of view of environment and safety. Automotive, as you know, is a more than 75 years old company which has been involved in manufacturing, assembling, distributing, servicing, financing, and everything of all types of automobiles. And it was founded by my father, and now the third generation is running the company. So primarily it was for the environment and safety of the people.
So why is sustainable vehicle scrapping important today, sir?
Well, it is important from the point of view of, as I said, pollution, safety, environment. It is necessary that we take care of what is happening on the road with commercial vehicles, and sustainability is only to make sure that we do not let the old polluting and unsafe vehicles to be on the road.
And how is it better than informal scrapping?
Informal, that's a nice word you used here. I thought some people call it illegal scrapping. So anyway, there is a difference because they don't follow the required norms. They don't consider the environment or safety whilst removing the vehicles or components. That is mainly the difference between the RVSF type of an organization and the irregular or type of facility.
Sir, you mentioned about the environment for this concept. So can you please elaborate a little bit on what environmental risks do old vehicle possess, just for the better clarity of our audience?
Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, environment, these old vehicles, they emit a lot more of smoke on the road and the environment. There are leakages all over the place on the vehicles of all types, and above all, the vehicles which are of the very old, more than 15 years old vehicles, there has been tremendous improvement in the technology for attending to this particular issue of environment. So that is the difference. That is the reason why we are.
Sir, how does recycling contribute to sustainability?
Recycling, it will definitely contribute to the sustainability because it can be most of the components can be reused by processing them as required, and we also feel that the reusing of them is helping the economy. The manufacturers don't need to get into buying something which is sometimes to be imported. So here, this particular thing definitely helps the reuse of these components.
Can you help us with the circular economy aspect here?
Circular economy means we are reusing the material which has been removed from the vehicles, and instead of discarding it, we are reusing it for various other activities.
How does Automotive Renew reduce landfill waste?
Well, we don't send anything for the waste. We try to see that every component is reused and it is not discarded, and that helps us to avoid the landfill waste.